Hey, yo, welcome to this edition of the Rocky Balboa Show. And today we're going to be reviewing Boston Market home style meals and Swedish meatballs, rich sour cream, as opposed to poor sour cream. Yeah, whatever that means. Anyway, let's get a. And anyway, okay, let's see. Okay, this is how you make it. You peel back film to vent. It must be my delivery, or, or, or maybe it's the it's the film. Anyway, anyway, okay. Cook on high 3.5 minutes, and number three. That's step number three. Stir and recover. Whoa, yo. Step number four. Cook again on high. Let's stand 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, and oh, one thing we noticed on you can also bake it, and I believe it's 30, 30 minutes or so. Let's see, can you see it right there? There you go. All right, and yeah, oh, bake, yeah. And what did I have here? Oh, at the end of a step. Let me see, what is it? Step. They're not numbered, so that's good. Conventional oven, preheat 350 F, bake, stir, and recook. Okay, bake again. Okay, at the end it says stir and enjoy. But at the end of the microwave, it just says no. Let's stand 1 to 2 minutes. So I mean, what's up with that? Why not say why not after? No, I mean, aren't most of us gonna microwave the Boston Market homestyle meals, Swedish meatballs anyway? I'm, come on, Sue, I'm trying to get through here. I mean, okay, look at how many of you out there are gonna bake it? Raise your hand. Okay, anyway, let's try it out here. Okay, I think we used up enough time. Okay, I got me a meatball. Hey, check it out, a meatball. Hmm. Hey, you know what? That's pretty good. Let me get some more of this. Hmm. Well, people, this is actually the first time I tried this, and I have to say, it's quite nice. Hmm. Yeah, rich sour cream sauce over pasta. Now look at this. Cook thoroughly, keep frozen. Anyway, and let me see. Calories, 510 calories. Well, what else was I gonna? Does anybody want to know how much protein it has? 37%. Cholesterol, 25%. Um, what else? Sodium, 59%. And look what I hear. Belicio. Mwah. Anyway, people want to know. I'm gonna give this a 4 yos out of a possible 5. Yo, 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 yo. And well, let's try one more meatball here. Let's try one more meatball. mm. Mm. Yo, excuse me, folks. One other thing is. Wait, hold on. What is it, Tiger Bailey? Well, right up. A member of the studio audience wants to, I guess, I don't know, a question or a statement. I just want to say that Swedish meatballs are a-okay, and so is the Blazer. Hey, man, this is a Rocky Balboa show, not the Blazer Blamont show, but that's a pretty good show in itself. And anyway, I was gonna say that Blazer Blamont is a very good show, but your show is a little bit better. Swedish meatballs, yeah. It looks like I'm choking up a Swedish meatball. Okay, man. We're not laughing. Excuse us, sir. We're not laughing at you, sir, because hey, here on the Rocky Balboa show, we think you're a king. That's good because I would have walked out if you said, hey, yo, man, hey, just have a good time, Oh, and hey, anything else? Just one more thing. Tiger Bailey is a-okay. Watch your show all the time. Yup, Swedish meatballs, very good. Okay, that's okay. It looks like our 5 minute show is going into the 8 minute time zone here. But everybody in the studio audience, before we close out here, we just like to say, you viewing at home, thank you very much for viewing, and we have another microwave review coming up, and hopefully it won't be as long as this one. I don't know, unless you like it long. You like your reviews long, and everybody out here in the studio audience, you're gonna find one of these underneath your seat. So enjoy, and oh yeah, and after you microwave it, stir and enjoy. Mm, I think we got through everything. Okay. Yep. And we will say that these Swedish meatballs are delicious. So hey, not bad. Not bad. Yes, good. Swedish meatballs, very good. Yo, 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 yo.